Five, four, three, two, one. DTX 99.9 Radio Dazzle. Good afternoon, Philippines.
Good afternoon, people of Inayawan.
This is Jimmy Pardo.
And this is Angela Liwayan at your service.
Fair, truthful, and accurate. Fearless news.
Vigilant Broadcasting.
It's time to bring you the most hottest news from the Philippines.
World Radio.
For the headlines, Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama has been removed from the office of the Ombudsman because of alleged nepotism and serious misconduct.
Talisay City is setting up action right-away team in each barangay to help clean drainage canals.
Duterte defends anti-drug campaign.
Apollo Cable faced numerous charges both in Philippines and America.
Saudi Arabia's desert got a surprise. Its first ever snow. The hot desert turned into a beautiful winter sea.
The management of the girl group Beanie is taking steps against individuals spreading fake photos and videos of the nation's girl group.
News with no exceptions.
News with no bias, remembering nothing but the truth. Your news
Your news
is our business. One Radio will be back. Stay tuned.
You're at home and want you to cook some dishes, but you're out of ingredients. Or maybe it's been a long day and you are tired buying at the convenience store. With Food Panda, you will just wait to groceries at your home. Groceries delivered to your door in just 10 minutes. No excuses, no traffic, just fresh when you need it. Food Panda at your service.
Time check. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. This time check is brought to you by Food Panda. Local news. Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama has been removed from the office of the Ombudsman because of alleged nepotism and serious misconduct. He was accused of hiring his two brother-in-law as City Hall employees. He's now also disqualified from working in the government. Earlier today, Rama filed a certificate of candidacy to run for Cebu City Mayor again. Rama has not given any reaction yet, as he says he has not received the Ombudsman's decision. Before this, the Ombudsman had already sanctioned him.
Another local news.
Talisay City is setting up action right-away teams in each barangay to help in drainage canals, which will reduce the need for the city hall team and prevent serious flooding, especially heavy rains. These barangay teams will also cut down that could be dangerous to residents in certain areas. Team leader Gary Tubunan said the setup will make it easier to respond to local requests. City Hall has a hard time for the barangay to be ready for the upcoming storm season, which often affect the continuous team and this is Gianna Bias reporting.
One Radio will be right back with more news after the reminder.
Babe, I'm pregnant.
No, how did it happen?
I'm not ready for the baby.
Then, what do you want me to do? Teenage pregnancy is one of the major problems in the society. Be aware, be prepared, and be educated. This reminder is brought to you by DTEC and this station.
Once again, you're listening to Home Radio. We are back for the national news.
National news. Duterte defended his underground campaign. Former President Duterte also defended his controversial underground campaign during a recent public address. Speaking to a group of supporters, Duterte referred to stance on the war on drugs, saying it was an essential tool in restoring order in the country and protecting the future generation from the drug menace. He acknowledged the criticisms of human rights groups, but reiterated that the war on drugs saved countries large by moving dangerous criminals from the streets. This is Rizal Berto reporting.
Can you give us a further update, Gretchen?
Apollo legalization during artists both in the Philippines and America. Giveaway signs the allegation. This reason that the voters worldwide and in all the color. Giveaway might stand to the U.S. to face charges and the Philippines government is cooperating with the investigation. This is Gretchen Fernandez reporting.
International.
Saudi Arabia desert got a surprise, its first ever snow. The hot desert turned into beautiful winter scene. now came before the snow. People take pictures in their traditional clothes. The snowy desert photo went viral online. Some wondered if it was caused with weather control, but experts said it was natural. This rare event people may think about climate change. The desert brief snow will be remembered. Angelo Iwaya reporting.
One Radio will be right back with more news after the reminder.
One radio. But joy so juicy and bright. Virginia hot dogs. Everybody just right.
Virginia hot dogs grilled to perfection, packed with flavor and always delicious.
Secret flavor. Pure Virginia hot dogs and eggs for you.
Perfect for any meal, grab yours now!
Once again, you are listening to
One radio.
Let's have Rinalyn Gornis for Showbiz News.
The management of the girl group Beanie is taking steps against individuals spreading fake photos and videos of the nation's girl group. According to the management, their maliciously edited photos and videos of the girl group members circulating online. Their team is now taking action to have this account removed. They're also willing to cooperate with authorities to identify the individuals behind this account. The management of the group emphasized the safety of the girl group members as their top priority. This is Rinalyn Gornis, your Chica Dara. Back to you guys.
And that's all for today's news.
Thanksgiving. And that was more Urbana news here and around the world. Once again, this is Jimmy Pardo,
And this is Angelo Ibayan.
the moral of the universe and of the elbow of justice. God bless.